With the support of viewers just like yourself, Smart Move Realty has grown to become the #1 leader in free local real estate information. Smart Move Realty created wheretobuyincorona.com exclusively for homebuyers looking for the ultimate resource in the Corona real estate market. You can view the latest information on Corona new homes, Corona resale homes, Corona city grants, and so much more. Smart Move Realty wants you to have a pleasant and enjoyable experience when you buy your home using our professional team of realtors. We guarantee you will not be put into any long-term contracts or charged any fees for our services. Our goal is for you to be in escrow on your new home within the first or second tour of homes. We believe it's best to view our services as those of a professional shopper, one who eagerly wants to help you to identify a property which meets your needs quickly and without a lot of red tape. We know the local real estate market. As a matter of fact, we've probably already been in the home you'll make your offer on.